Katanat Urban Affairs ke Sarkar Jala kala yat chakmat ya ka jingtmu ban Pynkynriah ke bedi jingde harod surok bat lentiyat ke jat lane ki hawkers na Khyndailad baru bap polling do menteri berikmi ya katanat kam jengok kai partai baru nong ai ketien ke Sarkar MDA2 ulong bakan long ke bayat bet kumbala thmu Kidon artli ki jaka ki bakatanat lingba ka Shillong Municipal Board kala Pynkynriah kata ka wei kadai ha ka jaka yang kali jong ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ha Khyndailad hi pat ka wei pat kadai ha jaka yang kali ha khap ka nan polok persya ka State Bank of India main branch Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ha kanok pai singi jong ka arpa unri tri ulber arja arpusan uba polling do ula Kyntait ban pentip ya ka Tarik ban Pynkynriah ki Hynrei ulong basyan ansale ya ka te ka kam Uloong bagidan kumba ars pa angot AA ki nong de jing de harot surok bat lentiyat kejat ki pansya Pynkynriah.
As you can see, some new construction is already happening where these vendors will be relocated.
Where?
This is at Khyndailad area itself. Opposite the State Bank also, some construction is on. So these also will be used for the rehabilitation of workers.
When?
It will happen within this year. You will see. I told you that we will not give you a definite date because you will keep asking every press conference. But it's happening. The relocation is happening. Names have already been finalized, and we have indicated a space for about 200 such hawkers. No. In fact, that process, the hawkers themselves had representation in the town vending committees, so things are going on smoothly. We should be able to relocate them once the new structures are ready. See, I think you will also appreciate the fact that today, even the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has stepped in by also directing the state government to expedite the process of relocating workers who are creating a lot of inconvenience to other road users. So we are aware of the situation, we are seized of the matter, which is why the relocation will happen immediately, once the structures are ready. See, as government, whether we do it or we don't do it, we always get the short end of the stick. But we will do what has been mandated to us to do. We will perform our duties accordingly, and we will ensure that all road users, including transporters, pedestrians, they also have equal right to the use of those roads.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya